Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you find email address of someone in LinkedIn. So first thing first, obviously log into your LinkedIn account. So once you have LinkedIn, what you can do here is at the top left there's a search bar here. So you can search for the person or the profile that you need the email address of. So you can search for them, for example, search for someone. So just use this name here. So click on it. Right, so go to the person's or the business profile page. So what you can do is hit on their name. So that should open their profile. So once you find their profile, what you have to do is underneath here you will see a contact info option here. Click on it. So yep, so here, so what you can see here is all the contact informations of that person. So here under email, so you'll be able to find the email address here. So there you go. So that's the email address. And please note, some people do hide their email address. So for some profiles, when you hit contact info and if you can't find the email address, that means that they have hid their email address. But usually you should be able to find their email address as most people do not hide their email address. So hope this video is helpful and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.